Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of September, 2024, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.42. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 5.53%. This results in an average daily loss of approximately 0.92% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which may indicate a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend support at $145.22 be breached, it would likely signal an increased rate of decline. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a potential change of -15.42% over the forthcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -17.37% to -3.43%. In terms of the 12-month outlook, it indicates a 34.16% change over the next year, with a potential return falling between 34.16% and 80.41%. This translates to a price range of $199.45 to $268.19 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Google. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024, the price of Google stock declined by 0.36%, moving from $148.71 to $148.66. This marks a continuous decline for 3 consecutive days. During this trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 1.96%, with a low of $148.35 and a high of $151.26. Overall, the price has decreased in 8 out of the last 10 days, representing a drop of 10.53% during this period. Additionally, trading volume decreased on the last day, which is generally a positive sign, as volume typically follows stock movements. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 9 million shares, totaling 29 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $4.29 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $191.75 and a low of $120.21. Currently, the stock price sits 22.47%, or $43.09, below the 52-week high, and it is also 93.93%, or $2,300.26, below the all-time high recorded on the 14th of June, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,448.92. The stock performance of Alphabet Inc., trading under Google, is currently under pressure due to escalating regulatory scrutiny and significant legal challenges. Recently, the Department of Justice initiated a pivotal antitrust case aiming to dismantle Google's dominant position in the online advertising sector. This legal battle could create uncertainty in short-term projections for the stock price, leading to potential volatility and investor hesitation as the outcome of the case remains uncertain. In the latest trading session, Google closed at $148.66, reflecting a slight decline of 0.03% amidst broader market gains, highlighting concerns that are overshadowing its fundamental value. D.A. Davidson's recent assessment categorized Google with a neutral rating and a target price of $170, indicating caution due to regulatory risks, despite recognizing its potential in the artificial intelligence sector alongside tech giants like Microsoft and Apple. Additionally, Alphabet faces pressure from significant fines imposed by the European Union for market abuse, with losses recently confirmed in court, leading to a penalty of €2,600,000,000. Coupled with Apple's recent setbacks, these developments highlight the intensified crackdown on big tech, affecting market sentiment towards Google. In the long term, while Alphabet's investments in artificial intelligence and technology remain promising, the mounting regulatory challenges could hinder its growth potential. Investors will need to keep a close eye on the legal outcomes and how they shape the company's operational strategy moving forward. The interplay of these factors may influence both short-term market reactions and long-term valuation trajectories for Google. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald rated Google as neutral with an initiate action. Also on Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, Evercore ISI gave Google an outperform grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, Wolfe Research rated Google with a buy grade and a hold action. Finally, on Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, Goldman Sachs assigned Google a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Google stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Google stock is reflecting sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $154.67 and $163.37. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 10th, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 22.24%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 44 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 35 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 20 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $2.91 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 1.96%. In the previous week, the stock displayed an average daily volatility of 3.03%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively standard, often observed in companies that have established histories or consistent revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.83. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $159.25. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Google, according to various analyst sources, is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Walker John Kent, who bought and sold 58,001 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 10.272. Overall, insiders acquired 599,415 shares and divested 751,237 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and currently, no stop loss has been established. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google exhibits several unfavorable signals and is positioned within a broad and declining trend, suggesting that its performance may remain weak over the coming days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this stock is negative. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of September, we anticipate that Google will open up by approximately 76 cents and commence trading at $149.42. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.